Welcome everyone to Delaware Valley University, also known as DelVal. This unique private university is home to about 2,000 students who come here for the small class sizes, personal attention from faculty, hands-on experience, and because they want to be part of a close-knit community. DelVal is located in Bucks County, Pennsylvania, just north of Philadelphia and about 90 minutes from New York City. Talk about a prime location. I'm your host, Alex Boylan, and over the next half hour, you're gonna meet real students who are pursuing their unique dreams in a very hands-on way on an absolutely beautiful 1,000-acre campus. In this episode, you're gonna meet a future cattle rancher, a teacher, veterinarian, a future farmer, and much, much more. By the time you're done watching this episode, you're gonna realize why Princeton Review in 2020 named Delaware Valley University amongst the best in the Northeast, and has been recognized in this category for the last 10 consecutive years. Unbelievable. U.S. News and World Report put DelVal in the best regional universities in the North category, and College Factual ranked the college's animal science program as one of the top 20 in the nation. This is gonna be a great episode, everyone. Once again, welcome to Delaware Valley University. This is the College Tour.